Hi everybody, Patrick here from escaperoomelectronics.com, engineeringshot.com, and paintballprops.com. This is just a software update video for my 5-button escape room prop set. Just a quick hardware introduction. I just made another video for a 20 button code. This is a 5-button code. You got 12-volt 2-amp adapter off screen, mag lock with bracket, mag lock mounting hardware, a loud siren which is optional, power key with 2 included keys, and 5 buttons. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to power up. I've got my 12-volt 2-amp adapter plugged in. I'm going to turn the key to the right, and all of the buttons will flash. So what I have to do is program in a sequence of 5, any 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press any button to start the sequence. Beep, beep, beep. It'll scroll through, and now I program in my code. So let's try red, red, white, white, yellow. So because the siren is plugged in, the siren is going to blare if I get an incorrect combination. If you don't have the siren plugged in, you'll hear the buzzer beep in parallel. So you don't need to have the siren if it's too loud for your liking. So let's just enter in an incorrect combination. Now if I have the siren removed, okay, and so you have the option of plugging the siren in up here. It's up to you. So let's try a correct combination. By the way, it wasn't mounted properly. It wasn't in parallel with it. Now it's very strong. It's on. The magnetic lock from power up is actually magnetized. So red, red, yellow, yellow, or white, white, yellow. Deactivates the mag lock. So at this point, in order to reset the system, this will remain in this state until you press yellow and blue and hold for 1 second. And the mag lock is reactivated, but the system remembers the code. So you only have to program once on power up, and it's good for the rest of the day. Red, red, white, white, yellow. Deactivates. Right, white, and blue. Maglock is reactivated. So that's it. It's extremely easy to use. You mount everything, you power it up, you program it once, it's good for the rest of the day. And if you want to mount one of these, you'll have to mount these buttons. What you'll have to do is you'll have to remove them from the main board. They plug in to the main board. You just have to make sure that if you unplug it, that you plug it back in the same way you unplugged it. If you reverse it, you're not going to hurt anything, but your prop isn't going to work. So to mount them, you simply take the button module, and what the heck? Oh, okay. So what happened there was I was touching the leads in the back, and I didn't hurt anything. But what I did was I tricked the system into thinking that it was a false trigger. So what I'm going to do is, obviously I would do this with power off, but I can do it with power on. Is remove the button by turning left. What I can do is remove the nut, and I can remove this little holder right here. It only goes in back one way. I mount it. I hold it in place back with this. And then what I do is I line up the little yellow, I'm actually going to turn power off so you can see this a little better. Little yellow button right here. I'm going to put the button module back on so that it's just to the left of the yellow. The white pusher is just to the left of the yellow button, and I'm going to turn right, and it should click into place. And that little pusher acts to push that little button. So then it's mounted. You mount them, you plug it in, you program in your 5-digit code one time, and you're off to the races. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us through engineeringshot.com, or more specifically, escaperoomelectronics.com. We are at your service. Contact us anytime about any of your escape room prop electronics needs. Thanks for watching, everyone.